Hi, I'm Janica, marketing intern here at EarthWay, and I'm going to be unboxing the 2750. Upon opening your box, you're going to pull out your bag, and nothing else should be in the box, but when you open up the bag, you will then pull out your handle. Assembly for this is really simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. The first thing I personally do is I take off this piece at the end of the handle, and I actually screw it on to the place where the handle goes. Just like that. Next, I'm going to take my handle and line it up with the place where the handle goes and take that little screw and twist it on top of both of them. Lastly, you'll want to take the other half of your strap, and right near the handle there's going to be this little pin. Just go ahead and stick that on there and you are all set to use your bag seater. Thanks so much for watching. Contact us down below in the comments or go to earthway.com for additional support. Thanks for watching.